So now we are going to model our first sections. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is just to select a storage area for the sections. So if you click this icon and you select that framework, so this framework will be the default area to store all the columns. So next we need to select a default specification. So click here, this icon, and here you have listed all the most common sections you can find in the market, like the DIN, Japanese, American Standard, British Standard, and so on. So let's select DIN Standard, and we will select a HEA profile of 400. So what does all that mean? So please go to the documentation. So in PDMS, a profile is defined but by an start. Sorry. So by an start and an end position. So then it will draw a line, straight line here, and then it will put the section. Okay, it's this shape here. So sorry, the profile. Okay, is the profile, the HEA we have selected. So then with the profile and this straight line, PDMS will fill all this beam with the section. Okay, with the profile, just forming the whole section, in this case a beam. So all the corners of the profile here, all the edge, all the vertex, will form a P-line. Okay, so the P-line, it's like the P-point we saw in the equipment modeling module. So these P-lines formed by extending the profile are key lines in the geometry or the shape of the section. Okay, so the most important line will be the neutral axis. Okay, then another important line will be the top of steel here, and the bottom of steel at the bottom of the section. The top of steel is very important when you want to place a pipe here on a pipe rack, and you need to refer the bottom of the pipe to the top of steel. Same for the bottom of steel, it is important for pipe supports, for instance. Then there is another P-lines here. So these P-lines are shown here. So the justification P-line is the P-line where the profile has its origin. In this case, if we select TOS, the origin will be at the top of the section. If we select neutral axis, the origin, so this, in other words, this line will be in the middle of the section. Okay, so the member line is the line PDMS use when you want to represent this section in the draft module. So the draft module is the module for creating drawings in PDMS. Okay, and the joint line is the same. It's a reference P line to make the joints between profiles. Okay, so typically when we are creating a column, we leave all that as neutral axis. Okay, so click apply and dismiss.